Hi everybody, welcome back to Armcandy. We've got a gorgeous Louis Vuitton to show you today. So this is the Louis Vuitton Neonoe, and it's really pretty because it's got this little kind of touch of pink on the leather drawstring and the straps, and then we've got a gorgeous pink microfiber lining as well. So I'll talk you through the features. So we've got one strap which is adjustable, and you can make it a longer crossbody strap as well, but I'll show you that a little bit more when I show you the size. And then we have a drawstring closure, and then inside, get that opened up, we've got one zipped central section there, and then we've just got two main compartments on either side of that section. So the condition of this one, it's in a really nice condition. We've called the exterior excellent. There's no marks at all for me to show you. It's just in a pristine condition. It's still got that really nice shape. Even all that leather on the drawstring and the straps is all in a perfect condition. So that's why we've called the exterior excellent. The interior, again, we've called excellent. The interior we've called very good. There's just really small little marks on the very base, and in the corners as well. Just really small dark little marks on that microfiber lining. So that's why we've called the interior very good, because other than that, again, it's in a pristine condition. And the hardware we've called excellent because there is no wear at all to that. You can see it's all in that really nice shiny gold tone, and all of it, even these loops where that drawstring closure is, it's all in a perfect condition. So that is why we've called it excellent for the exterior and the hardware, and then very good for the interior. It comes with quite a few bits. So we've got the Louis Vuitton box as well as the dust bag, and then we've got Louis Vuitton gift tag, and that has the ribbon, the Louis Vuitton ribbon with it as well. And then we also have a nice big Louis Vuitton paper bag too. So if you'd like exact measurements for this Neonoe, go to the link in the description below. That is the link to shop this exact bag on our website, so armcandybagco.com. So if you've seen it here and you love it, make sure you click on that link in the description. If you do click on that link and it doesn't take you to this bag and it just takes you to our generic product page, I'm really sorry, that does mean it has sold. But if it's one that you've fallen in love with, or one that you're looking out for, just get in contact with us, send us over an email or fill out the contact us form on our website. Let us know that you love this and we'll get you on our request list. And that just means as soon as we get in another one, you'll be one of the first to know. We'll send you through an email with a link to shop, and you can hopefully get in there nice and quickly. So that is the request list. As I said, exact measurements are going to be on the website, but I'll show you the size on me for reference. So I am a size UK 10. And I'm 5'4", and you can have it with that shorter strap and just have it as a little shoulder like that, and you've got nice easy access into it there as well with that drawstring closure, and then you can tighten it up nice and easily like that. Or if you wanted to, you can make it into a longer strap. So there's press stud fastens on each side of this strap, so you just unpop them and then it just pulls through like that. And then you pop those press studs back in again at the top. So there's one there, and then got a nice long strap which you can use as a crossbody strap as well. And again, that pink is just so pretty, and it's perfect kind of as a kind of summer, and a really pretty little bag. So if you're interested in it, don't forget to go to the link in the description below. Sign up to our newsletter while you're on our website, and we'll send you through your welcome discount code, which you can use on your first purchase with us, so don't miss out on that. Also have a look at the How to Sell with Us page while you're on there if you're interested in selling any of your bags. We'd love to see what you've got for us, so have a read through that. Like this video while you're here, and also subscribe to our channel, hit that alert button, and then you don't miss out on any beautiful bags like this one that we have to show you, and we'll be back very soon with some more.